guys, welcome back to another Seben tutorial. Today I'll be covering a song that was requested by you guys, and I'm just taking a specific part of the song, which is about 45 seconds to a minute, and I hope you enjoy this video. So this song is played in the key of A, and the progression is 1 5 4 5. So we've got A, E, D, E, A. So 1 5 4 5 1. So this part specifically is quite easy. What I mean by that is it's repetitive. So if you learn just how to play this, then you're basically playing that over and over again until the last part where there's a lick, as you guys saw when I was playing. So I'll walk you through it. So we start by playing the one, so and then so 1 6, the octave, so the F sharp, the octave. So you will notice that I'm muting as well, and you don't have to mute, you can just play. Or you can play. So watch my Seben technique videos if you want to learn how to mute, or you can just play it the normal way. And of course, for those of you that have been following my channel, you know that I always play with my thumb, just to add that kick, basically, or the equivalent of a bass drum. So now I do see some players playing like this. Which is okay, but I prefer to play the way Congolese people play, because this kick makes a lot of difference. And when you play with your thumbs, with your thumb and your index finger on your right hand, you get a fuller sound than this, than with your index finger and your middle finger. So if I play, it will still sound good, but I don't think it will sound as good as playing with your thumb and your index finger like Congolese people do. But it's up to you, to be honest. You can do whatever you want. So you keep playing that, and then it gets to a part where he plays. So what I'm playing there is 5 5 1 1 6 1 6 2 5. So do 6 1 2 5. So 1 6 1 6 1 2 5, then 4. Then he plays. Then so you play 6 3 2 5, or you can play 6 3 2 5 1. So and then 1, back to the same thing. So practice this over and over again. then so keep practicing that over and over again, because you'll be practicing your technique and your speed. And if it's too fast, slow it down. So play. And when you learn these songs, you don't have to play exactly what the bassist is playing. He's got his own style. He's playing his own thing, but you can also change it up. You can play. Um, so so the next part he plays five. So the the. So you play the 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 five. Then so this is what I think he's playing, by the way. Um, it took me a while to listen to it and try to learn what he's playing. But so he's playing this. So six, start with the six first. Then so six, one, and then so I'm hammering on to the six from five to six. So five, one, then open A string, then four. So four, and then five, two, 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 and then again. So and then so five, five, then so two, 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 three, three. So two, 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 three, three. So two, 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 three, three. Two, 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 three, three. So I'm muting again. So the E string, muting the E string. So mute the G string and then play the second time. Then again. So the 5, 6, 1, open A string. So again, I'll go through the whole thing again. So you have so 6, 1, open A string, 4. So 5, 2, 2, 2, then again. So 5, 5, do, 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 do. Then do, 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 do. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. After you play the Thank you guys for watching, and if you're interested in personal lessons for Congolese music on bass guitar, if you want to get to the next level, please reach out to me. I've left all the details in my bio, my email address, and I'll send you the details. And if you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe for more videos. See you next time.